My name is Ruben Garibay, and I'm here today to show you how to fix a flat in 7 easy steps. The first step to fixing a flat is to take the rim off the bike, which it has already been done. The second step to fixing a flat is to remove the tire and inner tube from the rim. With a screwdriver. After you have removed the tire and inner tube from the rim, remove the inner tube from the tire. Fill the inner tube with air. After you have filled the inner tube with air, put it in a bucket of water. If you see bubbles coming out of the water, then that is where the hole is. Your hole, it is better to dry it. Okay. Then, with the metal buffer that is in your patch kit, rub it against the hole so the patch can get better grip. So that after you have buffed it with the metal buff, put glue on top of the hole. And move the glue with your finger around the hole. Then you get a patch and you patch it on top with the hole in the middle. And you squeeze together with your fingers. After it has dried, put more glue to make sure. And get all that glue around the sides. Has dried, place the inner tube back into the tire. And place the tire back onto the rim. And that is how to fix a flat. Pleasure showing you how to fix a flat. See you next time.
How do you unplug the mic?
Please excuse the interruption. Attention juniors and seniors. Ringman will be here today and tomorrow during all lunch periods. Thank you.
Do you want these chairs?
You gotta do hers
Inside.
first. Y'all did y'all's already?
Yeah.